I think there's some pretty interesting stuff that we could do there. Obviously, we've been talking the past few sessions about how we could actually use the AI to do all sorts of different kind of trading, not just like the trading team. And I've been kind of experimenting with that the past few days, and like I showed you guys last week, it was actually quite impressive what I was able to do very, very quickly. We add in like a rule system. Last week, we actually started to make it so that you can actually use our AI credits that are in your account to do all the trading stuff. So that's all possible there. If you guys want to work on any one of these trading team things, there's the AI trading team in general. Then there's making this skill for BotSpot so that BotSpot can actually produce these things very easily. I think we've made some pretty good progress on that. And then AI trained to execute specific strategies, right? So try and do like things like orb strategies or whatever with the AI. We made some headway on that last week, but didn't get a chance to finish it. We got work on a Twitter trading bot. We could work on prediction markets. We actually got Polymarket. We got quite far along with Polymarket the other day, so we could finish working on that if you guys are interested. Um, yeah, and there's kind of both ways that we either use prediction markets as a thing to trade, or like as in like it gives us data from Polymarket so we could trade on other markets, or we could literally just trade on Polymarket. Both are both possible. Um, then we could work on an SPX strategy. We could work on a futures momentum bot. We do Pelosi or Congress trading. I've been thinking about this one a lot more lately. Same with like insider trading and hedge fund copier. I've been thinking about these a lot. Um, Someone actually that I follow on TikTok was talking about Ray Dalio and some of the changes in his holdings. He actually got rid of a lot of tech stocks, which I think makes a lot of sense. They're all starting to get like really crazy valuations. So if you look at his like, what is it, the F1 or whatever the filing is called with the SEC, um, Bridgewater actually reduced a lot of their tech holdings. So I think that could be something interesting to do, basically just copy these guys, right? And I think we could build all this stuff using like this new AI method, and I think it'd be a lot easier to do it that way. So I think that could be a cool thing to try out if you guys are open to it for like Pelosi or Congress trading or a hedge fund copier. I think Louisbot can actually do that fairly easily at this point. Um, but yeah, it'd be fun to try out. We could do factor trading, or we could trade using level two order books. Right. Any questions you guys have around this or anything that you guys want to add to the list?
Well, I was gonna ask a question. What skills do we want to put for the bots? Like, are there any specific ones that we want to focus
What do you mean, what
on
skills?
the AI trading team skills for BotSpot?
So that basically means, so it's a technical term for like our AI agent.
Right,
It's when we give it a skill, then our website will be able to build these agents itself. Right.
right.
So
But
it's kind of like
that's what I'm
short
saying.
for
Are
that.
like what skills like are we kind of want to implement? Like,
Like the AI trading skill. Like here's how
right,
you build an AI trading strategy.
right. But I'm just saying like like how to do like iron condors or stuff like that, or
No.
like technical analysis or.
No, it'd be for everything. It'd be for any kind of AI bot that you make. It'll teach it.
Oh,
It'll teach our AI how to make these AI strategies. Because right now, if you talk to BotSpot, it writes everything in Python code,
right,
right? Which is more deterministic and all that kind of stuff. But honestly, after seeing how much people struggle with making strategies sometimes, I feel like this could actually be a better default option. So just use AI to build it all, or to
right.
run it all, I should say, right? But we need to teach our AI those things. They do that usually.
Oh, so that is that taking all the input that we're putting into it and just putting into a skill base, almost kind of
So
database.
a skill looks like this, right? It will be, here is what you do to make an AI trading bot. Number one, you're going to use these Python methods. This is how they all work, right? Number two, you're going to take the user's thing and go through the rules, right? Number three is basically like it's just teaching our agent how to build these things. right? So maybe we could rephrase this. So maybe I shouldn't call it a skill. We'll say
That's why I was a little confused because I'm like, what skills are we focusing on this one? Um,
so let's
that's
call
what I
it
was trying to understand.
add ability to create AI trained team strategies in BotSpot. Okay, so I'll rename it to that because it's also actually more than just a skill too. It's like the skill and it's making sure that like it's easy to get all these like API keys and like all this kind of stuff that we had to do for it.
Okay.
Yeah, but skills is part of that, right? I don't know if you ever use like skills with Claude or anything like that, but it like, basically it's like it's like a how to do list, right? It's like step one, step two, step three, and it kind of follows those steps and everything.
Okay, so like you say, build me an option chain. They'll get, okay, this is what the things you need. You can do ion condors, you can do butterflies, and this is how you do a call and put stuff like that, right? And
It
I'll
wouldn't
have it
say
all listed
anything
down.
about that. It wouldn't say anything about that.
No, I'm just saying,
It-
I'm just giving it an example. It'll just list them all down. Like it will do
that
like this is what a call put.
that would be a skill for building options, but for the AI, I mean, you don't really need any of that, right?
Okay.
That's kind of the advantage of the AI method is that it can kind of just figure it out on its own, you know? So I don't know, maybe we need to explain a little bit about like here's, some things you might want to pay attention to for options or whatever, but I don't think that's going to really be necessary. I mean, you don't know until you actually start doing it,
Okay.
but yeah, it's really
Yeah,
more
I'm just
about like
interested because I if this makes our bot smarter and more efficient, I'm like that too. But that was my main question. Is it going to improve the bot?
well, it should make it a lot easier to build.
Okay.
And it should be a lot easier to understand exactly what it's doing because you can like it's like a it's like text that you can read, right? As opposed to code, which a lot of people either don't know how to read code or don't want to,
Hmm.
right? So it's a lot easier when you have like rules in like a list and you can basically just use those rules and all that. So you'd have to like show it how to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this whole rules-based mechanism is going to help a lot. Cool. Awesome. Any other questions, comments, thoughts about the list?